Hi everyone, welcome to my post. I have a very special announcement today. I'm going to be announcing that I'm going to do a giveaway. Now, there's no conditions to this giveaway. All you have to do is comment down below. That's all you have to do. The only thing is, there's always a catch in these things. You must be a pre-existing subscriber. So if you subscribe from now onwards, I'm sorry, I can't count you in. You have to be a pre-existing subscriber. So any of my subscribers, you can comment down below for this little giveaway. Some of you may have already seen it on Facebook and on Instagram. And those of you who haven't, I'm going to show it to you, and this is what it looks like. I'm giving away this. It's an embellishment book that I have created. Now I know embellishment books aren't a new thing. People have been doing them all over the place on YouTube. So this is a little bit something where lace meets paper crafting, my version. It's really pretty. It's done in this gorgeous kind of lace with mismatched pieces of paper crafting embellishments. This one here in particular, as we all know, it's done from Alina Craft. Oh, sorry, Alina Cuttle, I apologise. And I've added a lovely little dangle bling here with some lovely beads and a pretty little flower with a really sweet little pearl on that as well, a bit hard to see. On the side, the binder is pretty much the same all the way around. It's all done that lovely lace. It's beautiful, really beautiful. It's got a lovely sheen to it. It's tied up with this lovely grosgrain ribbon, and it's in lovely rainbow colours of green, blue and pink. It might come out as a bit of a different kind of a bluey instead of the green, but it is green, blue and pink. Really pretty. A lot of work has gone into this, and I am giving it away. So this is what it looks like on the inside. For those of you who haven't seen it, you undo it with this lovely bow that I've tied up. The first page looks like this, and it's all handmade embellishments that I've created with all different kinds of dies. I'm not going to go through all the listing of dies, but just for the book itself. So someone's going to win this lovely little embellishment book. You have your lovely bears that I've created with some dies. I have a lovely little girl up here from my stash. I have some more little florets that I've created as well with little hearts, and it's got beautiful little pink bows in there, and the paper is from Tea Time and Dolls. There's this lovely bow here I've created. There's a little rainbow. All the embellishments in the book can be taken apart and you can reuse it for your own purpose. Some sample packs here. We've got some cutouts that I've placed in there, some lovely padded hearts, the word love in there, and some lovely little mini type of sequins there that you can use to make your own shaker card if you want to. There's another little floret up here, all done up in a lovely bag with a little bag topper on the top there. We have some lace here you can use for anything you'd like, whether it's card making or whatever projects you'd like to make. We've got a lovely little rosette heart here with a unicorn as an embellishment. You can actually take that off and use it if you wish to. The next page we have beautiful different bows with little acrylic hearts scattered around on that page as well. We also have this one here, which I've created myself with different kinds of shapes from AliExpress as well. Lovely little dies. And the little sequin flowers that you see in each one of these little pieces, I actually made them myself. I actually saw a lovely tutorial on YouTube in Spanish, and I worked it out and made these little sequins myself. And they don't have buttons. These are just little plain sequins on the bottom. The next page is more little hearts with some handmade roses that I've created. It's a bit hard to see because of the glare, but I did make the roses myself, and that's another little die, and of course a little girl up the top here that I've also placed. And the winner will also receive in the book, there is 2 die cuts. So you'll get 2 metal dies as well. You'll get a telephone one that makes up a telephone, and of course you get this beautiful layered one from Alina Cuttle on AliExpress. So that's the package, the little items. So this is what the winner will be receiving. So if you want to be in the running for this embellishment book that I've created, all you have to do is go ahead and comment down below Leave me a lovely comment, like, share and subscribe. Well, we're all my subscribers anyway, but if you still like it, you can be in the running for the next kind of giveaway I'll do towards the end of the year. So the last giveaway I had was a snippet roll and the bags to go with them, and this time I'm doing the paper crafting one. So if you want to be in the running for this and you're my subscriber, please leave me a comment down below. Take care. I'll see you soon in my next post. Bye bye.